Welcome to e-learning class chemistry. As we all know that due to this pandemic we are all locked down, but the education must go on. So we have chosen distance e-learning to keep the educational system on. Although we have completed our syllabus, but this is the time for revision. This is the time for preparing yourself more precisely for the upcoming board exam. Now, at this point of view, today we are going to discuss on a revised topic, that is organic chemistry name reaction. Organic chemistry name reaction, there is so many name reaction. Some of them are very important for your examination. Organic chemistry name reaction is very important. Now, our first reaction is Hunsdiecker reaction. Hunsdiecker reaction. Hunsdiecker reaction. It is haloarenes in haloalkane chapter. It is applicable for haloarenes, that is benzoate, silver benzoate system, that is COOAG, that is silver. Its reactive is bromine in the medium of carbon tetrachloride CCl4, and the reflux needed. The product is bromobenzene, that is bromine addition reaction, that is bromobenzene, and we get the byproduct is carbon dioxide and silver, metallic silver is precipitate. That is the reactant is sodium benzoate. This is the argento silver benzoate, sorry, the silver benzoate, and product is bromine related arenes, that is bromobenzene. Next name reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction, there is two types. One is that is alkylation, and other type is acylation. Alkylation and acylation. That is also aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. In benzene reacts with CH3Cl in a medium of anhydrous. Mind it, anhydrous AlCl3. AlCl3 act as a Lewis acid, very important. You can also use BF3 as a Lewis acid. Benzene react with CH3Cl and product is CH3, that is toluene. Okay, now it is the alkylation product, but the acylation product is almost same, that is CH3COCl, in also it is the anhydrous medium AlCl3, and product is acetophenone COCH3, very important. So the Friedel-Crafts reaction is two types, the alkylation and acylation. Alkylation product is toluene and acylation product is acetophenone. Both are the medium is anhydrous AlCl3, which has act as a Lewis acid. Okay, you can also use BF3 as a Lewis acid. This is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Next reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. This is also aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The reactant is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride is a salt, aromatic salt, that is salt, and it reacts with CuCl in HCl medium, that is acid medium, and product is chlorobenzene. And you can also use CuBr in the medium of HBr, and you can get bromobenzene, that is N2 plus CuBr and HBr. Then you can get bromobenzene. It is a Sandmeyer reaction. Both are Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. It is also aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Next reaction is iodoform test. It is not as such a name reaction. That is iodoform test. That is RCHOH CH3 in presence of iodine and KOH in solution. Product is CHI3. That is iodoform. It is a white crystalline precipitate, a yellow crystalline precipitate, PPT. Okay, but there is a important things that this group is called ketomethyl group. Ketomethyl group. It is very important for positive in iodoform test. It is iodoform test also used as a identification test of ketomethyl groups such as acetone, ethanol. Ethanol also gives positive iodoform test. Okay, this is the iodoform test, and it's also used as a identification test because of this yellow precipitate. Okay. Next reaction is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reactant is phenol. That is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Very important reaction. Reactant is phenol. In reactant CHCl3, that is chloroform NOH, and 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. You can use 60 also. The product is salicylaldehyde, OHCHO. It is also aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, very important reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction, that is CHO group, the penetration of the CHO aldehyde group in phenol ortho position. Okay, that is phenol, and it is salicylaldehyde, the penetration of. Next reaction is Kolbe-Schmitt reaction. Reactant is also phenol. Kolbe-Schmitt reaction, that is phenol is a reactant. Phenol, very interesting reaction. Carbon dioxide in presence of 140 degrees Celsius temperature, you can also 150, and 4 to 7 atm pressure, atmospheric pressure, and product is interestingly salicylic acid. It is also penetration of carboxylic acid group. This is the carboxylic acid group in ortho position. This is phenol and reactant, and product is salicylic acid. Okay, it is called Kolbe-Schmitt reaction. Next reaction is, actually it is not a reaction, it is actually a reagent, that is Brady's reagent. Brady's reagent. It is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. It is hydrazine group NH2. Two position, that is NO2, and 4 position is NO2. Okay, that is 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Now it is react with any aldehyde or keto CHO and forms orange PPT. Very interesting. Orange PPT. For this reason, this Brady reagent used as a identification test for carbonyl group. Carbonyl group, that is keto group and aldehyde group. For this reason, this is for this orange PPT is this reaction used for identification for carbonyl group. Okay. Our next reaction is Wolff-Kishner reaction. It is actually reduction that is of aldehyde group RCHO in presence of hydrogen, that is NH2, and final worker process with presence of KOH and forms RCH3. That is, if you use CH3 as a R group, then CHO will form NH2 KOH. That is the worker process. That is CH3 ethane. Okay, that is Wolff-Kishner reduction. It is a reduction process. Okay. Okay, now this is much for today. We will meet in our next video soon. Okay.